Hello, this is Mark LaRochelle from Productive Computing and Productive Computing University. Thanks for joining us on this video. We wanted to share a preview of a lesson from a certification preparation course that we created in partnership with Claris. These free courses show you how to build a FileMaker application from the ground up, with each lesson guiding you on a new concept or targeted skill in preparation for your Claris FileMaker Pro certification. You can take this free course and find certification information at Claris Academy using the link found in the video description. Now, the Claris Academy courses are just the beginning. If you want to explore the Claris platform in far greater depth and take things to the next level, we invite you to consider our training at Productive Computing University. There you'll find courses on all aspects of the platform, including FileMaker Pro, FileMaker Server, Claris Connect, Claris Studio, API integration training, and more, delivered from seasoned professionals with decades of experience in the field. See the links in the description to learn more, and now enjoy a 5-minute preview from this lesson from the Claris Academy course. In this lesson, we discuss custom menus. Custom menus allow you to change a menu or a menu name. They can be set to perform a script or a script step directly from a menu item. You can assign custom keyboard shortcuts and access keys. You can specify platform-specific menus and menu items as well. You can also specify a menu to appear in a given mode, such as Browse, Find, and Preview. And finally, you can associate a custom menu set with your entire file or a specific layout. Let's go take a look at some of these custom menu features here in our application file. So let's open up the My Application file and navigate over to Dashboard. So let's make a custom menu specific for the dashboard. What we'll do is we'll duplicate this menu set here, and we'll make that from scratch. And then once we have a menu set that's dedicated to the dashboard layout, we'll make a special set of menus. We'll completely remove the record menu because we don't need any of this functionality on the dashboard layout. And in addition, we'll go to File and we'll remove the import and export record options, because that's functionality we don't want the user to have access to while they're on the dashboard layout. So to do that, I'll go to Tools, Custom Menus, Manage Custom Menus. I can also get there under File, Manage Custom Menus. If you don't see that option, it's because your file preferences do not have the Advanced Tools checkbox selected. Once I get to the Manage Custom Menus dialog box, I get two choices here. I have Custom Menu Sets and Custom Menus. The menus are what you see under each one of these header items. Each one of these is a menu. They come together as a collection to make a menu set. So in order to do any kind of custom menu, like we plan to do here for the dashboard, we need to actually create a custom menu set first to start with. So I'll do that now. I'll select Custom Menu Sets and click Create. Then our menu set name, I'll name it Dashboard. This is a set we plan on using when the user's on the dashboard layout. Now by default, our brand new set comes with no menus, so we need to create each one of these menus one by one for our dashboard set. So I'll click Add. Then I get to choose any of these existing commands. They're in brackets indicating that they come with the file. They cannot be edited or deleted, but I can use them. I'm looking to recreate, starting at the left here, FileMaker Pro as my first menu. It's not on the default list, so I'll click the plus button here to add that. Then on this screen, I have two choices. I can start with an empty menu, which means that I would get the header, but none of the details, no menu items. It would just be the header, the word file, or the word FileMaker Pro. We don't want to do that in this case. We want to start with a standard FileMaker menu, saving us a lot of time from having to create each one of these small menu items. So we'll start with a standard FileMaker menu. I'll select FileMaker Pro and push OK. We'll look at this detail screen in a moment. Let's continue on and create all our menus first, and then we'll make some modifications. I'll push OK. Now we want to use this FileMaker Pro copy menu in our new menu. So I'll choose Select, and here it is. Here's our dashboard menu set, and our first menu is FileMaker Pro Copy. Let's continue on. We'll do the next menu. The next one we want is File, so I'll click plus and we'll select File. I'll push OK. We'll push OK again, and there's File Copy. I'll select that. Make sure it goes in our custom menu set. It does, and we'll continue on. Next, we need Edit. There's Edit, and we'll push OK. Push OK, Edit, and select that. There's our Edit. Next, we need View. I'll click Add. Then I'll click the plus, and we'll select View. There's our custom View menu. Select that. Then next, I need Insert. So we'll click plus, Insert, and take care of that one. Next, we need Format. Format is a built-in menu, so I'll just use the built-in one here, and we'll select that. Next, we want Records. So I'll click plus, and we'll go with Records, and select that. Next, we'll add Scripts. Scripts is a built-in option, so I'll use that. Now, Tools comes with the file automatically. You don't get to remove it. You don't get to manipulate it. It's hard-coded, installed by default on every layout. Well, that was just a 5-minute preview from a lesson that we created in conjunction with Claris for Claris Academy. If you want to take your knowledge further, consider enrolling in a course or a course bundle at productivecomputinguniversity.com. Details and links are below in the description. Thanks for watching.